Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Solutions. In today's video, I will show you how to replace the transmission assembly in a GE washing machine step by step. If your washer is not spinning, making grinding noises, or not washing properly, the transmission could be the problem. Before starting the repair, always follow safety precautions. First, turn off the water supply and unplug the washing machine. Next, remove the drain hose from the wall and disconnect the hot and cold water supply lines from the inlet valves. Now, remove the fabric softener dispenser. For better access, the auger and basket have already been removed. Line the raised bump with the opening on the auger. Use a screwdriver to puncture through the inner shaft and twist clockwise until the auger releases. Then carefully lift it out. This step can be difficult, so make sure to hold the basket to prevent it from rotating. Next, remove the 11mm bolt and lift out the base. Then remove the 33mm nut by turning it clockwise. This nut may be very tight. Now tilt the washing machine backward and support it with a wooden block or chair. Remove the screw securing the main wire harness to the bottom of the tub. Then remove the 3 screws from the belt cover and take the cover off. Next, remove the nuts securing the pulleys. Take the belt off the large pulley first, and then remove it completely. Pull the motor pulley off the shaft using a pulley remover tool. Remove the transmission pulley. Now, unplug the drain pump and the mode shifter connectors. Remove the 3 screws holding the drain pump in place and detach the pump. Remove the bracket screw and slide the bracket away from the transmission. Then remove the 2 screws securing the shifter and pull it away from the clutch. The spring and clutch will come off with the shifter. Lift the red safety tab to unlock the speed sensor connector, then unplug it. Unplug the motor as well. Remove the 2 half-inch bolts that secure the motor to the transmission and take the motor out. Next, remove the 8 screws securing the transmission to the tub. Place a towel or cushion under the transmission. Set the washer upright and use a wooden block and hammer to gently tap the shaft until the transmission releases from the tub. Lay the washer back again and remove the wire retainers and harness clips. Now carefully remove the old transmission. To install the new transmission assembly, place the hub washer on the transmission shaft. Insert the shaft into the basket and rotate it slightly to align the spline gear. Once aligned, secure the transmission to the tub using the 8 mounting screws. Reattach the wiring harness clips and the drain pump harness. Install the motor back onto the transmission and tighten the bolts. Reconnect the motor and the speed sensor connector. Slide the spring onto the shaft and install the clutch. Position the shifter and secure it with its screws. Reinstall the bracket and reconnect the connectors. Attach the drain pump back onto the tub and tighten the 3 screws. Plug in the drain pump and mode shifter connectors. Now install the pulleys back onto the shafts and tighten the nuts. Place the belt over the large pulley first, then stretch it over the small pulley. Rotate the pulleys to make sure the belt is properly aligned. Reinstall the belt cover and secure it with the screws. Stand the washer upright again. Place the Belleville washer onto the transmission shaft with the green dot facing upward. Tighten the 33mm nut, then reinstall the base and secure it with the 11mm bolt. Install the auger by aligning the tabs and twisting it into place. Attach the dispenser and press it firmly until it locks. Reinstall the top panel and reconnect all wiring harnesses. Secure the ground wire and reinstall the control panel screws. Reconnect the capacitor wires and place the capacitor back into its slot. Insert the drain hose back into the wall drain and reconnect the hot and cold water supply lines. Turn on the water supply, plug in the washer, and your washing machine should now be ready to use. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and support Easy Solutions for more appliance repair tutorials.